How y'all doing? What's the name, bro?
Jordan.
Jordan? Hey, shout out to Jordan, bro, the homie with the camera, bro. Got the good fish eye. Hey.
Probably maintenance, like I did to that car. Just maintenance. Alternator, that's like super old. I'll just break it down. I'll make a list. But you want it to be running nice, that's for sure. New air filter, that's, I mean, it's just cheap stuff. You know, the belt looks good, the mechanical fan. Oh yeah, the Chevy stuff? Oh yeah. Chevy, we sell a bunch of Chevy. A decent tool set from like a pretty big tool set, the 10 millimeters, all the basic stuff, you can do a lot of it. I mean, you really can. I mean, cause I can open my hood, I'll show you what I got. But this is like the old school. I'd find the VIN numbers on your carburetor. I would see about, it says, I think you have Elderbrock. Yeah, you got Elderbrock intakes, so probably Elderbrock carb. So I'd probably, you can get new springs, cause these are gross. You can get new like thermostat, new thermostat gasket, new housing. I'll just make a list. I'll make a list, see what you want to do, what you need to do, get the needs done first, and then go from needs to fun. I'll just make sure, like, is there any bad, it looks like there's a little bit of oil leak. You can even get new hood latches. I mean, it's pretty sick though. It really is. It's pretty dope. I mean, you don't see these much around. Oh yeah, they're really easy to work on. Like, you'll be surprised. Like, especially with everything like this is just right here. I mean, my fuel tank's like in the back of mine. This is my third class of mine. He's got Parkinson's and dementia, and he's got back pain. So I bought an 84 before I rebuilt Papa, and it caught fire, unfortunately. The issue that we didn't catch, and watch my car product burn in front of me. I bought it like this. I bought this one swapped, but like I said, I mean, I know these engines like the back of my hand. I rebuilt one myself, and so I mean, it's a Holley carbon intake, but I threw on it. They're universal, so I don't give a shit. But see, mine's ran differently. Mine's got multiple belts unlike yours, but like these are usually universal. Like most alternators you can find, the belts you can still find. Chevy usually keeps a lot of the old stuff going. I mean, the fuel filters are super easy to swap out. I mean, I did that in the parking lot. It's just a couple of clamps. I'm not getting a new radiator for mine. But so far, I did the torque bar bushing. I did my trans mount. I mean, I do, if I can do it, I do it.
Good.
We'll be here to check you in one moment.
Got you. How are you doing, man?
Good. What can we do for you today?
Dude, just like an oil change. Mind just checking it out?
Yeah, we will try.
Yeah, try.
I don't make any extra money off of whatever you get.
Yeah.
But I even have a 96 Silverado. Has 322,000 miles, and I'll put full system. It's up to you. I'll put whatever you want in it. Good to go. Go ahead and turn it back on.
All right.
Mind if I get a picture of your ride?
Yeah, go ahead.
Anytime, dude. Just hit me up.
Appreciate
I'm
it,
the store
Derek.
manager here.
Thank you.
Yeah,
I'll leave a good review.